Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And for those of you guys that aren't, welcome back. Today's video is great. It is a basic in different ways. So basically I'm styling one outfit many different ways for you guys, just to show you how versatile one comfy outfit is. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let's just, without further ado, get right into this video. What is wrong with me today? I cannot talk. I don't know what I'm saying, but let's just get into the whole video thing. Alright guys, so we are taking this very basic outfit. The crew neck is men's crew neck from H&M. It's only $14.99. I bought it oversized on purpose. I could have gotten a small, but I decided to get a medium, just so if you wanted to, you can actually wear this as a sweater dress if you're adventurous enough. I don't think I would, but you know, who knows. And then the leather leggings are from, they're Spanx. So I bought them from Nordstrom, and yeah, so this is your, one second guys. This ring is not working for me on this finger, so I gotta take that off. It just keeps falling off. That was just to dress my fingers up a little bit. So anyways, the basic outfit, ta-da! This guy here, and then I always have the necklace on. The rings I never put on, those are purely for the video, and I do put rings on. I just don't put really fancy rings on. The hoops I usually do, but lately, that was my phone. Lately, because of the pandemic, I haven't been putting them on because it's kind of frustrating with the whole mask thing and everything, so I do keep them off, but this is also for the video's sake. Alright, anyways, so we are gonna style this outfit. I don't know how many ways because I haven't filmed that portion yet, but let's see what we can come up with.
Just like me, to miss a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, I don't wanna have to go another night without you by my pockets tonight. Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay. Got you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Just like me, to miss is a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day.
Okay guys, so those were my outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't even remember right now how many I filmed, but basically the story is the end result is that you can change any basic outfit with different accessories and totally change the outfit. So I hope you guys learned something from that and how to elevate your one outfit different ways, from like going to the grocery store to like actually heading out on the town. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media at CanbyRehaul, and I will hopefully see you next time if you've subscribed. So bye.